Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Ubuntu 22.04 desktop version on my VirtualBox from Windows 10 PC. So let's start. First add your ISO from VirtualBox menu panel, then restart your VirtualBox VM and then continue step by step process. Click install Ubuntu and select keyboard layout English US English and then click continue. On the right side, update and other software, you can select normal install or minimal install or download update while installing Ubuntu. Not needed update install, select minimal install, then click continue. Install Ubuntu LTS, erase disk and install Ubuntu. Click install now. Click continue. Select your location from here and then click continue. And type your name, take computer PC name, Ubuntu desktop, pick name, username, password, login automatically. Then click continue. Starting installation process. Welcome to Ubuntu. It will take up to 10 to 15 minutes for done installation process. So please wait. Running installation process. Installation complete. Now remove my server ISO, force unmount and then restart your server from yes, successfully restart and then login. Open terminal. skip, next. Click next and all done. Open terminal. cd IP option R. This is 10.66, 10.9. Try to ping internet. Yes, ping is successfully working. And next tutorial for setup XRDP from Windows PC. So please wait. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.